what to do when committees won't spend on necessary maintenance. So it sort of comes off the back of what we were just talking about a little bit. And this was quite a complicated question that came in, and I've kind of summarised it down a little bit because it was quite detailed. But the general gist of it was, our committee is aware of quite a few items which require urgent attention in our building. The situation's so bad, it's a safety hazard. A work health and safety audit was finally done. It was 6 years since the last audit. The audit highlighted a known trip hazard. It states the possible danger is on many floors in the building and recommends it must be repaired or replaced in the short term. Residents have tripped on this hazard. We have elderly people living in the building, and there are other major repairs that are also required. The committee will not act despite the fact that we have a very, very large sum of money in our fund.
Yeah. So I'm going to talk about the why first and what's going on in that building, because I've seen that before in buildings. We took over a building 2 years ago that had $1 million in their fund. It's a high profile building, and they were able to raise the funds, but they just weren't spending it. And that comes around governance and decision making. So what that often means, as an outsider looking in without being personal or negative towards anyone, is that the people who are on the Strata committee for some reason aren't able to spend that money because they haven't been able to either get organised or turn their attention and hearts towards, let's make best use of this money, let's improve our buildings. So my first comment is that the Strata committee would need to take a good look at the way they're doing their business, because their business, the way they're doing their business is probably problematic, and they need to put some more attention on that. So that's the awkward but necessary conversation for that building. In terms of strategically for that building, the first thing I would do would be write to the Strata manager to ask them to attend to this problem. And it doesn't have to be a thesis, just a straightforward email. This wish to write and formally put in a request to repair this item on common property. It's on these levels. Can you please arrange for this to take place? Please raise this from the committee, and I'll get a formal reply to that. The next thing I would do is I would personally get a couple of quotes to do the repairs, and if they said no, that is, I would get a couple of quotes for the repairs and put a motion on the next AGM agenda. So any owner can put a motion on the AGM agenda, and the motion I'd put would be to accept one of the two quotes. If that then gets voted down, I would then be applying to Fair Trading New South Wales for an application to mediation, which now costs nothing, with the history on it. It doesn't need to be, 100 pages, just the work health and safety report, the quotes, the AGM minutes, the AGM agenda, and what was discussed and what you want to achieve, which is get this item fixed. I would be surprised if that wasn't successful.
Okay, and what sort of liability are the building opening themselves up to by not getting this work done?
Yeah, look, you have insurance, and I hate it when I hear buildings say, "Oh, we've got public insurance, public liability insurance. Don't worry about it." It's like, no, actually, how about stepping back? And we do not want anyone to get hurt in our buildings. We want to look after our tenants and our visitors and our tradespeople. So you do have insurance, but there is always liability in strata buildings. And in litigation, the net goes out. Strata manager get called in, the committee gets called in, the building gets called in, and the last thing you want to go through is a litigation because someone's broken a bone or really hurt themselves and is now impaired and having to sleep at night with that. So anything safety is just so important, Nikki. You need to jump.
And like you say, it's not just about the liability insurance, isn't it? It's the people that are actually living in the building.
Absolutely. We need to look after people, and the people in our building is just so important. So yep, I would just, if it's a safety hazard that's been picked up 6 years ago, that's a problem. We should be addressing it. Yeah.